Struggling to fall asleep? Here's everything you need to know about melatonin and how to use it safely. Melatonin is a natural hormone that your body produces to regulate your sleep-wake cycle. It's also available as an over-the-counter supplement to help with insomnia, jet lag, or shift work. For kids, always consult a doctor first. Typically, 0.5 milligrams to 1 milligram is the starting dose. Don't exceed 3 milligrams unless recommended by a healthcare provider. For adults, a typical dose is 1 milligram to 5 milligrams about 30 minutes before bed. Start with a low dose and only increase if needed. Melatonin is generally safe but can cause side effects like headaches, dizziness, and drowsiness the next day. Be cautious if you're on blood thinners or antidepressants, as melatonin can interact with these medications. To get the best results, avoid using melatonin every night. It's a short-term solution, not a long-term fix. Also, avoid taking it with heavy meals to ensure better absorption. Have you tried melatonin? Let me know in the comments. And follow Professional Health for more sleep tips.